Project Sugardhana is a common man's initiative towards mankind, and Project Sugardhana is all about worshipping health. Now, we are very happy that Project Sugardhana was a very big hit in Gauribidnur Taluk in Chikballapur district. Now, that's where the real need was being identified after doing some lot of researches and surveys. Special Officer Mr. Varaprasad Reddy, I owe a big thanks to him and special thanks to all the district officials and health officials, SP Mr. Mithun Kumar sir, and all the people who have worked along with me and my team to implement this program on a large scale. Now, Gauribidnur being a red zone, we identified that place and we initiated a disinfectant tunnel using this citrus-based bio enzyme kind of a solution. It's not even a chemical. Whereas I heard that other places they're using sodium hypochlorite as a solution for spraying on humans, which is which is not that right to be also, because end of the day sodium hypochlorite is just a bleach. And today I'm so happy that we got an opportunity to install this disinfectant tunnel, which is an organic disinfectant tunnel in the Commissioner office in Bangalore. So CP office is one of the most busiest office. So even though as you all people know that around 500 to 1,000 people visit a day. So the main idea was if have to do something innovatively, and everyone wants to be unique and everyone wants to be different. As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam says, every youth wants to be unique and every youth wants to be innovative. But what makes them to think something out of the box is what really matters. So that's how me and myself and my team we thought about this. And special thanks to film actor Tala Ajit Kumar also for being an inspiration behind this whole success, because he has done a lot of initiatives back in Chennai also. And he's been very quiet and doing a lot of initiatives to fight against this COVID-19 also in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. That's what I've heard. So our Honorable Prime Minister is doing a great job, and he's been working relentlessly with all the team of ministers and police personnel, all the bureaucrats across the nation to fight this COVID-19. So I'm sure, if we all come on a common ground, and if we have to maintain some social distancing and be safe and stay at home, I'm sure India as a country can do much better when it comes to fighting this COVID-19. So last but not the least, special thanks to the Commissioner of Police, Sri Bhaskar Rao sir, for giving us an opportunity to install this bio-disinfectant tunnel in Commissioner's office. And also special thanks to Mr. Naidu sir, who have been my supplier for the Cipro BioShield solution. And heartful thanks to Dr. Prasanna from Shabari Group of Hospitals from Hosur, and CSR Times, Mr. Harish Chandra from Delhi. So all these people have been my inspiration, and they have already given me a great push and the thing to just go there and do something. So that's about it. And small minds will always talk about others, and great minds will always share ideas. That's what I believe in, and that's what I'm also looking forward to do something ahead. So for all the youth out there, be innovative and think innovative. And India as a country, we will fight this COVID-19 in a very, very effective way. Jai Hind.